Hi everybody, I just wanted to show you how to access your homework for this weekend. We don't have any class on Monday because of President's Day, so you have some work that you're going to be doing online as well as reading in the book, so I just wanted to make sure that you knew exactly where to find everything. So when you're taking a look at Canvas, you are going to see here on the home page that you have submit assignments and quizzes. You are going to be reading out of the book this weekend and then submitting a quiz based on the reading. So I'm going to click here on Submit Assignments and Quizzes. And then you'll notice that your upcoming assignment is a reading quiz for The Giver. You are reading chapters 16, 17, 18, and 19 this weekend. And the quiz is not due this time until the end of day Monday. So that's 11:59 p.m. on Monday. So you have a little extra time on your quiz this week. Each question, there's only 4 of them, will ask you to choose a quote from the book and talk about it, so just be aware of that. Once you're done with your reading and your reading quiz in Canvas, you're going to go back over here to Home, and you're going to scroll down and log into Launchpad. I already have it open on my screen, so I'm just going to pull it up right here so you can see what it is that you're doing. Under assignments, these are also due at the end of day Monday, the 18th. You have 2 different things you're doing in Launchpad. The first one is topic, audience, and purpose. You're learning about those 3 items. So as you'll scroll down, you'll see right here, introduction to topic, audience, and purpose is your to-do. So it's very similar to the other lessons you've done where you're going to read a little bit and watch a video. When you're done with that, you're going to go over here to Additional Learning Curve Activities, and you'll notice that there's a lot of them there. You're only doing this one, Topic, Purpose, and Audience. And it looks very similar to the other one that you've done as well. When you open it up, just a reminder that it's an adaptive quiz, so it's going to give you some easy questions first and then more difficult ones. Your target score is 300, so once you hit a score of 300, you'll be given the option to take a break. You need to do that, and you'll get full credit for the quiz. So I'm just going to show you what this looks like. You're going to begin activity. It will ask you a question. You will answer it. This is all based on purpose, audience, and topic. I'm not reading this paragraph, I'm just going to guess at an answer. And then I'm going to submit answer. I didn't get it right. You'll notice up here that as I'm answering questions, my little toolbar, my little battery bar will start to fill up. That's where you're keeping track of your points, and you're going to stop at 300. Now, because I got it wrong, I am going to click on a different answer and submit, and I got this one correct. I have now earned 5 points, and I can go to the next question. If I need to take a break because I genuinely need a break, I want to go get some food, or I need to stop because I don't have enough time to finish right now, or I've hit 300 points, any of those, I'm going to click right here and take a break. It saves right where you left off, okay? So remember, once you've hit 300, you're going to take a break, you can log out. You get full credit for it. Alright, so those are your assignments for the weekend. Just to recap, you're reading chapters 16, 17, 18, and 19 in The Giver. You are taking the reading quiz for those chapters. That is in Canvas. And then you are logging into Launchpad, and you're completing a reading and a video there. And you are completing a learning curve quiz there. Okay, I hope you have a great weekend. Email me if you have any questions at all.